Hey everyone, I'm Jessica Licona coming to you live from the Licona team headquarters here at Keller Williams in Austin, Texas. And today I wanted to visit with you about the benefits of buying versus renting. We hear that often as people go, I've never thought about I could afford it, or I've never knew really what went into it. And so we thought, let's just put together some quick touch points and talk points on some of the benefits. So anyway, I'll just kind of jump right in, and if you think of any questions, obviously you can reach out to us at 512-637-8434. So one of the first things I always think about is building equity with sort of a forced savings when you're buying a property. And also what you're doing is let's say you buy a property at $350,000, that is the purchase price you've secured, whereas rent can continue to grow and increase. And in Austin, it averages about 5% per year of an increase. And of course, if you do anything else unique, like wanting a shorter term lease, for example, I've seen them go 300, even 1,000 more for those short-term rental increases. So that's one cool benefit, is you've got a fixed rate when you buy a home, and you can do a 15-year, 30-year, and there's of course a ton of other options out there. There's down payment assistance programs. If you don't have quite as much money saved up, we can direct you in the right direction there. When you're building the equity, just think about it. It's your equity that you're building, whereas if you're renting, you're helping the landlord build equity. And naturally, what you could even think about doing, and I personally have done this and coach clients on how to do this, is you can then take the equity you built in that first home to catapult you into being able to buy your next home there. And with the landlord, all you're doing is helping them pay their mortgage, and then eventually they can leverage and pay to buy their next home. So some cool benefits of you being a homeowner. Another thing is you get tax benefits. So a CPA can speak to you about some of the tax write-offs, but when you're leasing, you get none. Also, mortgages are paid in arrears. So if you think about that, in a rental world, due on the first, late by the third. But in mortgages, they're paid in arrears, which means once you close your payment, you live in the home, let's say January, and you don't pay it until after you've sort of lived in it, so to speak. So something cool there. And of course, if you're looking at buying, one of the things that your lender and us can instruct you on is once you've bought, you may not even have a first payment until 1 to 2 months, depending on when you close in that, that respective month. More on that topic. If you have questions, reach out to us. Last but not least, something to think about, because there's always pros and cons. You are in a steady place. That means you're not getting to have the flexibility of moving and trying out new areas. So we'd want to educate you and make sure you knew what area seems important to you for commute reasons or access to airport, things like that. But it does keep you on the hook, so to speak, for any repairs. But keep in mind, you have homeowner's insurance. So if we've had a hailstorm, which is very common here in Texas, then that's something you can have your homeowner's insurance help you with. And that is sort of, in quotes, one con of renting. You get the landlord paying those repairs. So anyway, reach out to us. Let us know what questions you have. We are always open for business. If you hear of any friends or family or colleagues that are thinking of buying, selling, or investing, we can help them understand the perks and the benefits. And of course, I certainly believe in it. And I have sat down with folks time and time again that have been in the financial world. I've sat down with CPAs, and all of them have bar none told me they still believe in diversification, and buying and investing in real estate has been the smartest thing for them. And if you watch the market, even over 5 to 7 years, we have been in a great run, and people have built some amazing equity. So reach out to us. Let us know what questions you have. And as always, we are so appreciative that you consider us and refer us. Thanks again, Jessica Licona from the Licona team here at Keller Williams Realty.